Clearing your search history on Wise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your search history is removed. Step 1. Open the Wise app. Launch the Wise application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Find Privacy Options. Scroll through the Settings menu until you find the Privacy Options. This section typically contains features related to your data and security. Step 4. Select Clear Search History. Within the Privacy Options, locate the option to clear your search history. Tap on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to clear your search history. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on Wise. Regularly managing your search history can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience.